H3C Magic App Quick Start Video. Taking NX15 router as an example. 1. Download the app. First, download and install the H3C Magic App on your phone. 2. Register and log in. Open the app. Click Sign Up. Select your region. Enter your email address and password. Check I agree to the terms and conditions. Click Continue. The app will send a verification email to your email address. You need to click on the link in your email to activate your account. Please wait until you see the prompt ID activated successfully. Then you can click Activated and log in to return to the login page. Enter the successfully registered email address and password. Click Login. 3. Bind the router. Connect router Wi-Fi. Open the app. Click the plus symbol to automatically scan for nearby routers. After scanning the device, click the Add button. Enter the router's management password. Click the Add button. The binding is successful. 4. More settings. On the home page, click Wi-Fi to set the Wi-Fi name, password, Wi-Fi sharing, etc. Click Tools to set more common functions, such as setting a guest network, turning off the indicator light, upgrading the router firmware, etc. More features waiting for you to discover.